Hello viewers, in this video we will discuss that how we can create a drop down menu for date. The I think most of you have occurred with the problem that if you want to change the date or you want to make a drop down menu for the date, then how you can make it as a month wise date selection. So for this I am going to give you a very fine or very easy solution. Just see that firstly what I would do, I would be making a month list. Suppose I am just taking the month from Jan 20 and will be extending it up to December 21st. So here you can see I have created a list for month, and then I will be creating a list for date, that this date must change as per the month. For this, what I would be doing, firstly I need to generate a drop down menu for month. Then I will be selecting month and going to the data tab, and then will be selecting the data validation, again data validation, and will be selecting list. From here I will select the list for month. As you can see, I have selected the list for month from B5 to B28 and then press OK. So you can see here that there is a drop down showing from Jan month to December 21st month. So suppose I am selecting Jan 21st. Now since the format is in number format, so I will be copying the format for this. Now for date, what I would be doing, as you can see, this is showing the 1st of Jan 2020. So I will be taking first date from this drop down for month selection, and then I will be incrementing one day in the date. Since the format is different, I will be changing the format to short date. Then you can see I have changed the made a list for date also. Now the unique thing will be, when I will be changing the month from here, the date will also be changing. So the next thing that remains to be, just will be making a drop down for date. So for this I again will go to the data tab and will select the data validation and will select the list. Now for my list, the source would be this date list. So as I have selected it from C5 to C35 and press OK, now it will be showing me the date for whole of the month for March month. Now if you want to change the date for April or say May month, just change the month, and then in date tab the whole drop down will be changed as per this. Thank you viewers.